Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the chip until bare metal or primer is visible. This improves adhesion and prevents rust. Once done, mask off adjacent panels to protect paint and work in a dust-free area at 50-70 degrees F. Shake the touch-up bottle 1 to 2 minutes, then apply a tiny test drop to a card to confirm color match. Make the first applications sparingly into the chip's center. Let it flash for several minutes, so subsequent layers have something to bond to. You'll continue by building the repair with multiple thin coats rather than one thick blob, because thin layers cure faster and reduce sags. Apply 0.51 mm per coat, flash for 10-20 minutes depending on temperature, and add more until the finish is slightly proud of surrounding paint. Once fully cured, typically 24-48 hours, wet sand starting with 1,500 grit, then 2,000 grit to level the edge. Make sure to rinse and dry between grits so you don't embed scratches. To finish, compound the repaired spot with a medium polish to remove sanding haze, then follow with a fine polish to restore gloss. Work slowly with a foam pad at low speed to avoid heat damage. Once shiny, use a glaze or sealant to blend the edge into surrounding paint for an invisible transition. If you see orange peel or a soft, tacky finish, don't panic. Wet sand smooth and reapply a thin clear coat, or if color sits unevenly, repeat thin base coat layers and finish again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.